Hello everyone, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. In this video, I'm actually going to be reviewing the Chicco Keyfit 30 car seat. As always, I'll be going over the pros and the cons and my final opinion at the end. So stay tuned for that. So the first pro to the Chicco Keyfit 30 is that it's easy to install. This becomes very important when you find out that about 40% of parents install their car seat incorrectly. So Chicco actually took this into consideration when they made this car seat and made it very parent-friendly so that parents can install this car seat correctly. I will be having a video on how to install the Chicco Keyfit 30 later, and I will have that link in the description box below and the end card. But essentially what makes it so easy to install is that it has a leveler that shows you exactly how to level the car seat. It also has a height adjuster so that you can get the angle correct when you're installing it. And the other thing is that when you're pulling it to tighten, it's actually in the center. So that way you can pull tight, you can pull the straps tight much easier than if it's on the side. So those are a few of the things that make it so much easier to install versus other car seats. The second pro is that it is actually ranked top 5 for safest car seat. And it has been very consistently ranked in the top 5. It makes us feel a lot more confident putting our baby, our precious baby, in this car seat. The third thing is that it's very easy to use. Everything is very consumer friendly. They've made it super simple so that everyone can understand how to use it as kind of instinctively as possible. It has a big orange button for where you have to take it off and on and buckle it back on. And it has orange buttons for adjusting the handle as well, so that's also easy. It's very easy to, the harness is really easy to buckle on and even tighten, which is sometimes difficult with other car seats. This is sometimes something that I've struggled with other brands. It's how tight, like how hard you really have to pull so that the harness is nice and tight on the baby. With this car seat, you don't have that problem. It's really easy. You just kind of push the orange button and you pull and it comes on. It tightens just very quickly and very easily. It's really nice. The other nice thing is that it's very easy to move the baby from the stroller to the base and back and forth. The fourth pro is that it's lightweight, so it's over 9 pounds, a little over 9 pounds. So it is very easy to carry with the baby in there. Obviously at some point the baby does get heavier, so it will be harder to carry him or her. It will be harder to carry him or her in the car seat at some point. So at that point you would have to put the car seat on a stroller instead and get around that way. The fifth pro is that the padding is really comfortable and it actually has EPS foam for impact absorption, so adding that extra layer of safety as well. The sixth pro is that it is easy to wash. Taking off the cover is easy to do and then you just pop it in the wash. So it's very easy to do, which comes in handy when your baby starts to spit up a lot and throw up too, so it'll come in handy. Pro number 7 is that it's actually compatible with a variety of strollers, which is super nice. Some of the strollers that it's compatible with are the Chicco Bravo stroller, the Cortina Magic, the Urban and the Mockingbird, Uppa Baby Cruise and Vista, and the Bob Revolution Flex. But that's just a few of them, there's way more as well. You just have to look it up online. The 8th pro of this car seat is that it will actually fit premature babies as well. The weight range is 4 pounds to 30 pounds, making it easier for babies who are on the smaller side. Okay, now we're gonna move into the cons of the car seat. The first con of this car seat is that it doesn't have any hooks on the side for us to put the straps. That way the straps can be kept out of the way when you're gonna place the baby into the car seat. So oftentimes when you're gonna put the baby in the car seat, the baby will be on top of the straps and then you have to get the straps from under the baby to put it on, to buckle it on. So that can be a bit of a hassle or kind of an annoyance when you're in a hurry. The second con is that the canopy is a little awkward to put up and down because the material that's on the end of the canopy is kind of flimsy. You can't really maneuver it with one hand. You have to use both hands to get it up straight, to get it up correctly. So that can be a little bit annoying when you're on the driver's seat and you have to kind of like reach over to put the car seat up if the sun is getting onto the baby. It'll be hard to do with just one hand, so that is kind of a bit of a con. The third con for this car seat is that it does have a shorter lifespan because it will only fit a baby up to 30 pounds or 30 inches, which can be anywhere from 8 months all the way to a little over a year, depending on your baby and how they grow. So the shorter lifespan can be concerning if the rate of your baby's growth is very fast. So my final thoughts overall is that the Chicco Keyfit 30 is actually a very amazing car seat. It checks off all of the boxes for safety and ease of use, and they really do consider the parent a lot in the design of this car seat overall, which is really amazing. The only thing that can be bad is the shorter lifespan. But I do think that can be resolved if you get the car seat along with a travel system. You can actually get the Chicco Keyfit 30 with the Chicco Bravo travel system. So if you do it that way and you pair it with the travel system, your money will definitely go further. Other than that, it is a really great car seat and I definitely recommend it. Because it's ranked so high for safety and also because it's so easy to install, you'll be a lot more confident that your baby is going to be safe in this car seat. Plus it's very comfortable for them as well. So because of all of that, the Chicco Keyfit 30 is definitely a buy. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope that was useful for you so you can make a decision buying this product or not. I will have an Amazon link down below so you can buy it there. I'll be making a video on how to use this product as well, so that will be in the end card and the links below too. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, hitting like, and leaving a comment down below. Okay, thank you so much for watching. God bless and see you in the next video.